Britzy, I wanna play a little game. I ain't playing in that shit unless you pay me more.
Let's play a little game. Do it for fame. Down the drain. What did you do?